This is a Foscam video doorbell, 4 megapixel smart video doorbell. And I'm going to install it, take this one off, install this one. Inside the box, you got the doorbell and some wedges, a few other things. There's a vertical wedge and a horizontal wedge and base. The instructions are pretty simple. You have to pair it, plug it into your power, and then pair it to your Wi-Fi. So what I'm doing is I have a battery pack, and I'm going to connect the USB-C. Do this. It's connected. Give it a minute. It turned red. It's got infrared light coming on.
Hello, Foscam. Ready for Wi-Fi configuration.
So for Wi-Fi configuration, I need to go to the app, start the Wi-Fi, or to start the Foscam app. And I am going to scan the QR code on the back of the Foscam. Now focus. There, we got it. I gotta turn on my Wi-Fi. I heard that already. It's a hello Foscam. I see it flashing blue. And it wants to spy on my location. I don't know why it needs that, but I'll say yes. It wants my password, so I'm going to blur that out. Okay, now it wants to configure Wi-Fi. Now it needs to
For
see the
Wi-Fi
code.
configuration, please point the QR code to the camera directly.
Maybe I need to make it brighter. Let's see, make it all the way bright.
Wireless connection succeeded.
Okay, wireless connection succeeded. Next. Here's the front door and save. See if it shows
Video
me.
doorbell installation instruction with an existing old doorbell. Before installation, please ensure your video doorbell added to Foscam app. Before installation, shut off power to electrical box from breaker box. Remove your existing doorbell. The height recommended to install is 1.5 meters, 4.9 feet. Confirm the place you plan to install the doorbell and post the positioning sticker. Drill 2 holes on the wall according to the positioning sticker and insert the screw plugs. Fix the wall on piece on the wall with the number 1 screw. Pay attention to the upward mark and the horizontal bubble column on the wall hung piece. Keep the wall hung piece remain horizontal, then tighten the screw. If you need to adjust the installation angle of the doorbell on the wall, you need to use provided different types of brackets and fix them with number 2
I don't
screw.
like them either. Quiet.
Go over there. Yeah, it's Fido and...
Now the bracket has been installed. Let's start the wiring next. You can wind your existing doorbell wire directly on the 2 terminals on the back of the video doorbell and use the screw to tighten them. If the wire of your existing doorbell is not long enough, you can use the wire extenders and wire nut to help you. Feed all the wiring into the hole in your wall until the video doorbell can sit flush. Then align it with the hook of the wall hung piece, pull it down, and it's done when you hear it click. Finally, use the provided screwdriver to secure your video doorbell to the wall with the provided mounting screws. This prevents the video doorbell from being easily stolen. You can post the reminder sticker near the video doorbell, reminding visitors to ring the video doorbell to notify you. Now you have completed all the steps of installation. Next, turn power back on for your video doorbell at the breaker. If everything is connected correctly, your new video doorbell will begin its initial setup process.
Won't it work?
I haven't hooked it up yet. Don't touch the camera, you're gonna get dirty.
Can I try it with your phone?
It's not ready yet, I have to connect it.
How did you ring it?
Here I'm being asked a bunch of questions about the doorbell, which is fine. Kids are curious about it, but he's trying to touch it. He's touching the lens with his finger. He's going to get, fingerprints all over it, and it's going to be blurry, so I'm kind of telling him to get out of here. And sorry about that. So at this point, it's asked me what kind of a chime I have. My doorbell is a mechanical chime, so I select a mechanical chime. And I have some other cameras already. There's one in the house and another outdoor camera, which I'm just testing and programming. And obviously I cover up my information because I don't want you guys hacking my doorbell. I named this one Doorbell because it's a doorbell. And there is a username and password on the Foscam account. So there's probably, I don't know if you can hack it, but just to be safe, I want to cover it up so you don't hack my doorbell and ring it on me all night and play high-tech ding-dong ditch. Oops, I got the camera, I got the mount on the wall now. It's level. Looks good. Got 2 wires here. Just gotta connect those to the back of the doorbell and it'll be good to go. Using the screwdriver, doorbell works. I'm gonna push it on there. Push that on there.
Hi.
Hello. Installing a new doorbell.
Oh, okay.
So now I'm tightening, putting on the screws on the bottom so people can't steal it. There's one. I got one more screw. Okay, so that's done. So now I'm going to test it. I'm now watching from the doorbell. And it works. So I can answer it if I want to. It's the front door. I'm getting feedback. Rejected. Stop. Okay. So if someone was there, I could talk to them, see who it is, get my deliveries, whatever I need to do. That is how you install the Foscam video doorbell.